Hello and welcome. Today we are going to solve more questions relating to word problem leading to linear equation or simple equation. In the last video, we had this exercise. Okay, so I want to do a review of the exercise and see if your answer corresponds with mine. The question says the result of taking 3 from a certain number and multiplying the result by 4 is the same as taking 3 from 5 times the number. Find the value of the number. Okay, so we take it bit by bit. The result of taking 3 from a certain number, so we say the number, let the number be y. Like I said, it can be anything. The first statement says the result of taking 3 from a certain number. You take away 3 from this number, that will give you y minus 3. That is what it implies. Now, they said the result and we are multiplying the result by 4. So if I'm multiplying the result by 4, y minus 3 is the same thing as y minus 3. So this is our result here. We are multiplying it by 4. Okay? And it further says when we do that, is the same as taking 3 from 5 times the number. So did you see that? Find the value of the number. Let me go over the question again. The result of taking 3 from a certain number, this is the representation of that, y minus 3. 3, that is, you take away 3 from y. And multiplying the result by 4. Like I mentioned, the result of y minus 3 is still the same thing as y minus 3. And so we are multiplying it by 4. It is okay to put it in parentheses so as not to make mistake when multiplying. Now, when we do that, it is the same as taking 3. When this statement is the same implies equals to, okay? Is the same as taking 3 from 5 times the number. When you talk about 5 times the number, you mean 5 times x, which is 5x. Sorry, we are dealing with y, not x. It means 5y. And then you take away 3 from 5y. That is what we have here. So the next thing now is to solve the equation. So here, I can open the bracket and say this one multiplies this one multiplies this. So we have 4y. 3 times 4 is 12. So we have 5y minus 3. Okay? So the next thing you want to do is that you want to, collect like terms. You collect like terms. And so we have, let's take this one over here and bring this one here. So we are going to have, it all depends on what you want to do. So this one could go like this, and this one could come like this. Do you see that? So that's what we are doing. So we are going to have minus 12 plus 3 equals to 5y minus 4y. 5y minus 4y is what? Our answer here is y on the right hand side, and our answer here is negative 9. So if you add 3 to negative 12, it's going to give you a negative number. So you can also check your answer. The number we are looking for is minus 9. We can verify our answer by putting it here. By the time y is minus 9 minus 3, negative 9, negative 3, that will give you negative 12, isn't it? and multiply it by 4, that would be negative 36. Now that is on the left hand side. If you have 36 on the left hand side, come to the right hand side. 5 times negative 9 is negative 45. Okay, and then if you take away 3 from negative 45, what do you have? You are going to have 48. So here, this is negative 12. Negative 12 times 4 is negative 48. I made a mistake there. So this is negative 48. And since the left hand side equals to the right hand side, we confirm that our value of y is correct. Now let's go to this other case here. We have this question. It says Olu thought of a number and subtracted 2 from it. He divided 32 by the result. If his answer is 4, find the number. Okay, so what we are going to do right here is we will start again taking the question bit by bit. Olu thought of a number. Let the number be x, isn't it? Now, first step is he subtracted 2 from it. So, first step, he subtracted 2 from it, so we have x minus 2. That is the implication. He divided, second term. Second step is that he divided 32 by the result. What's the result of x minus 2? It is still the same thing as what? X minus 2. So he did 32 divided by x minus 2. Is that not? Now, if his answer is 4, so they said the result of this is going to be 4. Find the number. So third step is that we solve. Now, here we have 32 over x minus 2 equals to 4. Okay, we want to eliminate this denominator, and what do? We can simply cross multiply. If you cross multiply here, you are going to have 32 times 1 equals to 4, multiplying x minus 2. This on the left hand side will be 32. This will be 4x. 4 times negative 2, that is negative 8. And by the time you collect like 10, this one is going to become 32 plus 8, and that is 4x. Okay, now 32 plus 8 is 40 equals to 4x. So you divide both sides by what? You divide both sides by 4. So we have 40 over 4 equals to 4x over 4. 4 cancel 4. 4 into 4 here 1, 4 here is 1, 4 here 1, 4 here is 10. So our x is 10. So the value for the unknown here is x, and we can confirm our answer. By the time we plug in 10 here, 10 minus 2 is going to be 8. If you divide 32 by 8, that will become what? 4. So we can see clearly that the left hand side is equals to the what? Right hand side. So in my next video, I'll be explaining word problem leading to inequality simple equation.